Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, yes, it is another seafood boil, but this place is from my favorite place. It's called Hook and Reel. It is located in Layton, Utah. So if you are ever in Utah and you go to Layton, you should definitely try this place. We ask for no broccoli though, because for some reason when they cook it in the bag, it's the bag. When they cook it in the bag with the seafood, it kind of makes it taste funny. Also, if you notice me shake at all, I'm really sorry. I've been getting like the tremors and stuff all day, and yeah, it's actually been going through like my whole body. It's been freaking Troy out a little bit, and me. Anyways, so we got the Hook and Reel sauce. Like, it's their combined sauce with everything. Oh, I did forget something. Oh well. We'll just put this up here like we have before. And then I also have the lemon pepper sauce that I love it. I like the Hook and Reel sauce on it, and then I like to dip it in the lemon pepper sauce. I have a berry lemonade soda, Jones. They're my favorite. That's what I'm having to drink today. The blue one's my favorite with the Jones anyways. But yeah, let's get started. I did get the spicy level of sauce, and you already know I gotta go for the shrimp head first, and if I struggle, I'm so sorry. Also, if you're not following my Instagram yet, it's WillowBB2518. Go follow me. I usually update on when I'm posting and stuff on there. So, but yeah, this is what the sauce looks like. I really wish that I knew how to make it, but there's like chunks of garlic in there and stuff. It's just so good. Happy Monday, everybody, by the way. Also, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you are not yet subscribed, hit subscribe, become a WillowBB. The shrimps are overcooked, which they were at the restaurant too. So when we reheated it up, they're definitely more so. But yeah, like I said, I'm shaking, so I'm really sorry about that. I don't know why I put the lid on this. Because now my fingers are all... There we go. It is definitely spicy. Especially since it's been sitting. These mussels, like, they're huge. Like, look. They are I love the green lip mussels. So good. Yeah, we actually went here for our date since we got married and stuff, and we always, like, of course we always have at least one kid, Kinsley, our daughter, so my mom watched her and Elliot for us so that we could go out and eat. I'm really struggling, guys. Ooh. Ooh. It's definitely really spicy. Mm. Make sure that that thing isn't in there, the beard. Ooh. Mm. This one's kind of hard since it's broken. Trying not to cut myself. I like this thing because of the texture. I'm probably weird. I know I'm not the only one, but mm. And don't worry, the shrimps will get eaten, but I know that Troy's probably going to want some of this, and I know I can't finish it either. Not by myself. Mm. Oops. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys all had a great weekend. I choked at the restaurant and I just about did it again. I think I only have a couple more shrimps with their heads. I know that a lot of people probably think it's super weird, but it's so good. Whew. So are there any of my subscribers who actually you don't like seafood, but you like to watch it? Or do you all just love seafood? I know that for us, I mean, you already know, we love seafood. I'm getting really full. messy hands. Ow, I bit my tongue. Save the rest of the crab for him. I might eat one more mussel. Maybe a bite of the potato. I kind of figured I wasn't going to be able to eat a whole lot. So. Trying to see which one's the smallest mussel, because this whole shaking thing is driving me insane. My gecko's staring right at me. Oh, that was better. One more bite of potato, and then I'm going to let you guys go. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below telling me how your day has been going and how your weekend went. Hopefully you guys all had a great weekend. Share this with family and friends, whoever you want to share it with. Let's get me up to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get me monetized. That would be awesome. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Lots of love, my willow babies. Bye.